Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to choose who can message you on TikTok. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your TikTok account. Once you're there, you simply click on your profile. After which, you click on this three horizontal line. After that, you simply need to click on policies and setting. So, once you're there, you simply click on policies. After which, you simply need to scroll down, you click on messaging. So guys, once you're there, you simply click on messaging. So guys, here you can actually see who can send you a message. So you can simply choose no one, or suggested friends, or everyone on TikTok. That is, even somebody does not follow you, the person can actually inbox you. So guys, you simply need to choose the one that suits you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.